Wanting to grow a beard, but you just can't? You've tried all the advice, growth serums, derma rollers, red meat, cold showers, everything, and you're still struggling to get more than a couple of hairs on your chin. In this video, we're gonna find out what the fact is the truth about beard growth. The truth about growing out your beard, it depends entirely on your genetics and not much else. No amount of coffee, oils, serums, or needles are gonna make a significant difference to your beard growth. Before you pronounce yourself as a beardless man, make sure you give yourself the best chance possible. Here are 5 things that you must do to grow a healthy beard. Number 1, sleep well. Getting any less than 7 hours of sleep a night can actually stunt the growth of your hair of your beard. Sleep is the time that your body uses to rejuvenate, recover, and repair your body. You need this time for your beard to grow healthily. Number 2, exercise. Beard growth heavily relies on your testosterone levels. The more testosterone that you have, the more likely you are to grow out a full beard. One easy way to increase your testosterone level is actually by lifting weights. Number 3, eat well. To grow a healthy beard, you need to keep your diet clean and healthy. This will make sure your body has the nutrients and vitamins that it needs to help your beard grow out as healthy as possible. Number 4, take care of your skin and hair. Using moisturizers such as our beard oil will actually help hydrate and nourish the skin underneath the beard, creating a really nice foundation for the beard hair to grow. Number 5, stop shaving. Stop right now. If this is the first time growing a beard, don't shave for at least 3 months. The average beard grows just over 1 centimeter per month, meaning you need to give your beard the time to grow that it needs. After you've made it to at least 3 months of beard growth, you've been exercising, you've been eating well, you've been keeping healthy, now it's time to assess. Look at where your beard is growing strong, where the patches are, how thick the hair is, and how long the hair is. With this assessment, you need to now find a beard style that suits your face and hair growth. If you're not sure, we've come up with a few ideas of different growth patterns that you can try out. If your beard is patchy on your cheeks, try a goatee, a Van Dyke, a horseshoe mustache, and depending on where the patches are, you could even try a full beard by letting it grow out to cover the patches. If you have patches on or under your chin, you still have a couple of beard options. Try some old school mutton chops. I hear they're coming back in. Try a light stubble, or even just a classic mustache. If you struggle to connect your mustache to your beard, no worries. Try sideburns, a short stubble, or you could just let it grow out even more, like I did. Eventually, it will connect to the beard. If your beard is just too patchy, it might be time to cut your losses and just shave it off. If you think you look better without it, then that's your decision. Cut it off, try again in a few years. After you pick the beard style you want to try, it's time to get it trimmed. If this is the first time trimming your beard, we recommend giving your barber a visit. They are the professionals. They work with beards every day. They know your style, they know your face shape. They're gonna be able to make recommendations of how to style it and what products you should be using as well. This has been What the Fact. My name is Rich, I'm the APAC sales manager here at the Bearded Chap. If you've liked this video, give it a like, subscribe to our channel, throw us a comment below if you've got any questions, and we'll see you next time.